Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be I'm gonna finish up jail guy. You guys can see right now I just put a sheet metal on the back, which I still gotta cut it to size. Put his metal plate on the bottom. Just I didn't have no other shorter plate on it, but I'm gonna end up cutting it. So right now what I'm doing, I'm just doing, you know, the actual dimensions, how I'm gonna end up putting it. I got these cold bars from Home Depot. They're bendable and they're metal, so I'm gonna end up welding them. So what I did before I was actually recording, I was actually bending them to the correct size. So what I'm gonna do, so what I did when I welded his hands, I actually welded his fingers opened, so like that I could stick the bars in there. If you could see right there, both of them, but actually on this one I'm not gonna need it because the bar's gonna come outside. But on this one I already bended like the way that I wanted the bar to go inside his hand. There you go, and then it's gonna be touching on the back. So right, so that one's gonna go like that. Alright guys, well I just finished tacking them. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the background. So like that, it could give me the chance to weld them all the way around before I start grinding everything, because I know everything is pretty loose right now. So I'll just start tacking all of them. I'm doing now, I'm using the rear plate for the jailhouse. I already did holes with this circular, I don't know what's it called, but I just did like spots. So I mean, I don't want to record the whole assignment, so I'm just gonna show you guys some holes that I'm actually making right now. Alright guys, so here goes the design. So let's put it back on. So this is gonna be the background. I was gonna do it flat, but you know, I wanted to see it even from the back, from the rear side. So if you could see, so it's gonna be just like this. So of course I'm gonna weld it down, sand it down, grind everything down. So you guys see, I also made his sofa or his chair out of a bolt and a washer. So he's sitting down. It could, you know, I could move the chair and everything. So there goes the whole design right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna end up welding it right now. And then we should be good. Alright guys, let me weld it down and I'll bring it back to you guys right now. We just finished the jail inmate number 235. I am gonna put a number here of his jail number or whatever. But there you go, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. We got his two boys over there, and we got this guy here. We just finished putting everything back together. Let me know what you guys think. Turn everything down. Alright guys, to the next project. Peace!